Creating a perfect talking avatar is actually pretty simple. The process I will teach you today is the exact process I used on my own self for this video. It is very realistic, and I believe is one of the best looking way of making your own talking avatar for now at least. So let's begin. HeyGen is an online video tool with built-in talking AI avatars that unleash people's creativity by removing the costly barriers of traditional video filming and editing. Choose an avatar, type the script you want, and click Submit to receive a perfect spokesperson video in minutes. Let's go over the requirements for this video. We're going to assume you already have an avatar that you wish to use, preferably an image of your avatar and not a video. You can use Midjourney for this or Leonardo.ai to get your avatar. I will be using this image that I created for my avatar.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something in this video today, But honestly, I hope you pick a better looking person than me for your avatar.
So let's get started by going to heygen.com. Once inside HeyGen, go ahead and try HeyGen for free or click sign in like I will do. It'll ask you a couple question survey. You may answer this in any way you wish or just randomly pick any answers. On the left sidebar, click where it says Avatar. You will see 3 avatar options: Talking Photo, Avatar Lite, and Avatar Pro. To be honest, both Avatar Lite and Pro are good options, especially if you like more realistic avatar that they have. But I feel like creating your own photo avatar will produce more unique life-like avatar. So in Talking Photo, go ahead and click Upload on the right side of the page and upload the photo image of your avatar that was needed as a requirement earlier in the video. Once the avatar is uploaded, click on your avatar and choose to create a video in landscape mode for YouTube or portrait mode for TikTok or Instagram. Now you can either write your own script so the avatar can speak it, or again you can upload your own audio script and the avatar will speak what's in the audio script. For the sake of this video, I will just use text script and write something simple. Now click on your avatar and you'll see on the top bar there will be some new options that showed up. You can make the avatar have some expression, and also have a happy style facial expressions. It's up to you if you want to change the expression style. For me, I'm going to leave it as default. Finally, on the top right, we're going to click Submit. Once the video has processed, you can now go ahead and see how the video come out. Click on the video and then click play. Wow, I will admit I made a mistake. I forgot to change the voice from female to a male voice. I hope you changed yours. If you did not, then, well, yeah, I don't know what to say except here's the result of the avatar.
Hey guys, hope you guys having a good time watching this video and learning something new. Smiley face.
The last step is to click on Download Original Video in either 1080p quality or 4K quality. The video should automatically start downloading. Hope you guys learned something today. As I said earlier, this avatar you are seeing now was created the same way for this video. It's very simple and you shouldn't have any issues at all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next step of this incredible journey. Thanks for being part of our community. And until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep innovating.